Today I am in a 1962 356B. I don't get a chance to drive these very often, but it's lovely to be in a car older than me for a change. She's great. She's been Restomodded, so but tastefully done in the last few years. So the car's in ivory, and it's got kind of a pillar box red interior and cream. Lovely little Nardi steering wheel that's been added to it, which just feels epic as you're driving it. But this car's been through a restoration a few years ago. Wants for nothing, drives really well, just really enjoyable. And for a change, the sun's shining today, so we get to drive on some nice country roads and enjoy this really gorgeous 356.